Hello YouTube, hello friends and people in the virtual world, welcome back to Baggy's TMD. Don't forget guys to hit subscribe and smash that like button if you're enjoying the channel. So we're just taking a little walk back from Sainsbury's here, as a lot of people do when they're bored and at home, watching YouTube, watching railway videos from the early noughties. As you know, Kingsbury's the early noughties layout, so we've been looking at various videos, seeing what's going on and around the tracks around Kingsbury, Tamworth, and all that jazz. And one thing has kept cropping up that I keep seeing in these videos is track plans, tampers, rail grinders, stone blowers, stuff like that. No one makes a 00 gauge stone blower, rail grinder. I don't know, I think someone done a rail grinder or a tamper. It's a bit of an open market in my opinion. Come on, new manufacturers, Camelix, Acura Scale, Revolution, time for you guys to bite the bullet and start building one. We had Batman with their MPV a few years ago. EFE 2 minutes, let's check them over. Get them over. EFE are bringing out their crane. Hatton's done the ploughs and the RHTT, and we had Flange Way with another set of ploughs, but no one's built big track plans. Like a tamper, I could quite happily stick a tamper on Kingsbury, quite happily. Yes, they're going to be expensive. You're going to be talking 300-400 quid a pop, probably 600 quid with sound, because the manufacturers are not going to sell that many of them, because anyone only wants one or two, not like 6 or 7 like a Class 66 or a Class 67, something like that. So what do you guys think? Do you think there is a bit of an open market for track maintenance vehicles, track plans like tampers, rail grinders, for a ready-to-run manufacturer to build? Like I say, is it time one of the newer manufacturers stepped up to the plate? They're all tripping over themselves building the same locos, and locos are pretty much covered for modern era diesels, and still a few electrics, DMUs and EMUs, but track maintenance vehicles, come on guys, one of you build a tamper, I'll buy it, give me a shout, I'll even test it for you. Let me know guys in the comments what you think on this beautiful day in Tamworth. Look at this, no rioting today in Tamworth, no, nice and sunny. But yeah, let me know guys what you think in the comments, and hopefully one of the manufacturers are going to step up, build some track maintenance equipment. See you later guys.